Hey everybody, in this quick video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of A Charlie Brown Christmas on DVD. I watched this today. I did not unbox it on DVD, but I just went to the YMCA and I watched it and it was cool. So we have the label, the spine, and the back. Yep. This is a old movie because it was released in 1965. 2021 DVD release for the case. So this movie is not rated 25 minutes, so it's not a movie. The 50th anniversary version. And there's this tag I can't see. 1965 for the release of this special, and the release for the DVD is 2016. I'm trying to get this open. 1 second. One second, I can't get this to open. Okay, I got it. At least it doesn't stink like the Christmas Story one did. Still a little bit on the side. Okay. Let me open the rest. Okay, I think that you know what? I'll just do the rest. And we actually got the one disc itself. It has amazing artwork. I should watch this on the day before Christmas Eve. That'd be really special. Anyways, it is 9:10 p.m. I got to get to bed, so see ya.